Hi, Kunal. Yeah, Kunal, my camera is going to be off because it's not working. So I'm going to be
Okay.
in audio.
Okay.
Give me a second. Hello and welcome to Nirmal Bang, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hiral Dadia. We have with us Kunal Shah, Head of Commodities Research, joining in. Kunal, welcome to the show. Kunal, let's start again with the dollar index itself. Clearly, if you go to see as, we are seeing that kind of up move. Dollar index has turned positive above 92.5 as well. What's the sense that you pick up?
Okay. First of all, today is the big event. We have a FOMC minute decision and a commentary following that. So overnight positions. If somebody has really confidence on the view, then they can take it. Okay. I'll give my view also, but this is the major thing. Dollar index has retraced back from 93. 90 to 50 is the levels at which it is hovering. Uh, lot of things happening, big events. So there is a big divergence between what is happening in US and China. China's economic outlook is started to worsen, and that is a major worry for industrial metals. But on other hand, the US stimulus, because the housing data and the other data were not very encouraging, the job market data is still not encouraging. The inflation last data was high because of the second hand cars prices have shot up by 40%. So my take of today's FOMC meeting, nothing will come. No negative surprises are expected out of this meeting. I'm not expecting Federal Reserve to cut or give an indication of cutting stimulus, at least in this meeting. Maybe perhaps in next meeting they can, but I'm expecting nothing radical to happen in today's FOMC meeting. So no major negative surprises expected today. I'm expecting on account of that, gold and silver can bounce post the meeting. If tapering word is used in the meeting, then definitely it will correct. But my sense is that still they will not taper for 1 or 2 months, but they can give an indication that after 2 months, 3 months, we can taper if the job market improves, if the unemployment improves. So again the same thing in this thing Hindi. आज यूएस का जो फेडरल रिजर्व का मीटिंग है उसमें अगर कुछ भी नहीं आता है जो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, तो थोड़ा बहुत सेंटिमेंटली पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा गोल्ड और सिल्वर के लिए. गोल्ड और सिल्वर आफ्टर द मीटिंग कैन शूट अप. अगर डॉलर इंडेक्स को देखेंगे तो डॉलर इंडेक्स भी हमने देखा है एक मजबूती आते हुए, डॉलर इंडेक्स कमजोरी आते हुए है, डॉलर इंडेक्स भी नीचे आए. सो गोल्ड और सिल्वर में आज शाम को थोड़ा बहुत स्पोर्ट आना चाहिए. गोल्ड 47,500 में आप बाई करके 47,750 तक देख सकते हो. सिल्वर आप 66,200 में बाई करके 66,600 तक देख सकते हो. दोनों में सिल्वर में 250 रुपये का स्टॉप लॉस, गोल्ड में 150 रुपीज़ का स्टॉप लॉस रख सकते हो और खड़े रह सकते हो. दूसरा मेटल्स. मेटल्स इज लुकिंग पॉजिटिव टू मी on account of one and only one reason, that in China is trying to cut their exports of metal, it's steel. So that is bullish for the other parts of the world. So if China was exporting aluminum or China was exporting nickel, that they will not be, because the government doesn't want the material to go out of the country. Even though their exports will go down, they are okay with it, but they want to control the prices in the domestic market. So because of that, the long term effect of this will be negative, but in short term I think, because there won't be any negative surprises in federalism meeting, I think metals can still shoot up. Copper around 752 753, goodbye. Upside target 760 to 763, stop loss 749. Nickel around August contract 1475 74 buy, stop loss around 1464, and upside target 1490 to 1492. Crude oil, crude oil also, if you see, fundamentals are not that bullish because the OPEC production is increasing. So crude oil, I'll give slightly contra view. 53.85, 53.90 is sell. 54.30 stop loss, and target should be 53.20. So most of the commodities I'm expecting, metals to trade higher and crude to remain under pressure.
Right. So overall, with all of this, Kunal, anything on the agri commodity front?
In agri commodity, I think SOPA has filed a complaint in NCDA in SEBI that there is a massive speculation going on in soya bean. So soybean prices can, sentimentally go down a bit on this letter. If SEBI takes some action, then definitely not positive. The margins have been increased. So soybean में थोड़ा बहुत profit taking लग रहा है.
Right. So that's with regards to where overall soybean profitability goes. Kunal, one more question that I have with regards to crude is, what's your expectation with regards to where the weekly data that will be coming in?
I think since the summer driving season was going on in US, people were traveling. Then I'm expecting the oil inventories to show a drawdown only in today's number also. So expect draws, but I don't think so that decides the prices. If the draw is very big, then prices can go up by 30-40 rupees. Else, I think it should go down.
Right. So that's with regards to crude as well. Thank you, Kunal. I think there are no questions coming in for the day as well. Thank you, participants as well.